Hello! Today you'll learn the basics of library search, a powerful tool that helps you find books, ebooks, videos, online videos, and full-text articles at the same time. The library search box is in the middle of the library's webpage, as well as on all program guides. The default search option is Search All Resources, which provides search results for physical and online materials such as books and DVDs, full-text magazine and journal articles, ebooks, and online videos. If you do not want articles, then use the Search Catalog Only option. First, a search tip. In most library databases, it works best to break your research question down into searchable keywords. So for the research question, how can pet ownership affect your mental health? Let's pull out the keywords pet, ownership, and mental health, and type them into the search box. This search pulled up 676 results. Each result is labeled by source type. The first result is peer-reviewed or scholarly journal article. The Access Now button will bring you to the full text of the article. 676 is a lot of results. To narrow that down, click on the All Filters button under the search box. 3 helpful ways to narrow your search are to limit to online full-text items, select a date range such as past 5 years, and limit by type of source, such as books, magazines, or academic journals. So by filtering the search to online full-text scholarly articles published in the last 5 years, we went from 676 to 161 results. Click on the 3 dots to access options such as citing and downloading. Click on Access Now PDF for the full text of the article. To print, click on the printer icon at the top of the page. For more information about this article, click on View Details. The Details page includes a 1-paragraph abstract or summary of the article. Helpful tools are at the top of the page. Click on the quotation marks to access the MLA or APA citation of the article. The arrow or share tool allows you to do things like save the article to your OneDrive or email it. The bookmark icon lets you save the article to your personal dashboard that appears on the left side of the screen. For more help with searching for resources, visit our Ask an Eagle website at NWTC.libanswers.com.